Hello from Haulover Public Beach in Miami on this 1st of January 2025. Look at how huge this beach is actually. And not just that it has a public beach, it has also a nudist beach that's around 1 kilometer away from here. And the public beach itself is huge and not so populated densely and crowded like South Beach in Miami, for example. And it looks so awesome. It is an official public beach that has also lifeguards on duty during season. I don't think it is season currently, but we have 26 degrees Celsius in the air right now. It's so hot and nice on this first day of the year 2025, and we have 24 degrees in the sea, Caribbean Sea, that Miami is on. So with this wonderful view of both nature but also architectural towers, Trump towers, indeed, it's time for a beach adventure with Chris once again from Haulover, but this time from the public beach. You see here in the water there is nobody, where I have stopped for a while. Along the beach I see lots of people there, but no one at this point right here. And I started today my beach walk from the beach next to the Trump Towers, and then continued to the nudist beach, along that nudist beach and walk. Lots of nudists here there today to mention. And now I'm at this huge public beach Haulover. Then I will continue my beach walk on the other side. There is a bridge where you can, I thought that you can't walk on it, but I saw people walking on it before, so I will walk on it as well. As there is a small pedestrian pavement. And then I'm going to North Miami Beach. Cool, then beach adventures with Chris in Miami Beach. It's so nice and amazing. Such a wonderful day. I'm just afraid that I'm gonna get burnt, as tomorrow I'm going on a cruise, so I really need to put a lot of sunscreen so I don't get ruined my cruise. Yes, this is, I'm not sure which episode from Miami. Is it the 7th or 8th? Because I have made so many episodes in so short time. I also need to relax. Maybe later when I go back to South Beach in Miami, where I'm staying. So yes, it's time for another swim in the Caribbean Sea on this 1st of January 2025. Let's go! Amazing as usual. Yes, I just have no idea how it is here in summer. It is so beautiful now in winter. This is probably warmer than what we have in Sweden in the high summer. Especially the water, the sea. And some lakes in Sweden can get quite warm as well. But yeah, that is my view right now at Haulover Beach public. This one, there is also a nudist that's continuing right there. So let's wrap up from Haulover Beach, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures from Miami Beach on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.